Okay, in Grammar 6-1, we are going to talk about quantifiers. Now, what's a quantifier? A quantifier is a special word that describes how much or the quantity. Okay, now what quantifiers are common in English? Some, any, much, many, each, every, more, most, a little, little, a few, few, both, either or either, neither or neither, fewer, less, several, all, no, or enough. Now these words can be a little difficult, a little tricky to learn because we have special quantifiers for nouns that we can count, special quantifiers for nouns that we can't count, and special quantifiers that we can use for any kind of noun. So we use special quantifiers for count nouns like many, a few, fewer, or several. Okay, uncount nouns, we use the quantifier much, a little, little, or less. Now, some quantifiers that we can use with any noun: some, any, more or most, all or no, and enough. Okay, now we are also going to see some quantifiers that we only use with singular nouns. Okay, only one thing. So each, when we say each, we have to say a singular noun. So each person. Also every, we have to use a singular count noun. So every time. Either, okay, either we have to use a singular count noun. And also neither. Okay, now please understand either, neither, the pronunciation is also either or neither. Okay, and finally, the quantifier both is only used with a plural count noun. What does both mean? Both means two. So when you use both, you can only say a noun that you can count. So there are 5 groups that we have to study: quantifiers with count nouns, quantifiers with uncount nouns, quantifiers with both count and uncount, quantifiers with singular count nouns, and quantifiers with plural, more than one count noun. Okay? Now, when we use these quantifiers, we don't have to say the noun if the listener already understands what you're talking about. Okay? Now, example, did you see any animals on your trip? Actually, we didn't see any. You don't have to say any animals, just any. We didn't see any. Okay? Have you got much time? I'm sorry, I only have a little. We don't have to say time. How many people came to the party? Only a few. You don't have to say a few people. Okay? So that's the first part of Grammar 6-1, quantifiers.